How to deposit money to Charles Schwab? To deposit money into a Charles Schwab account, you have several options. Here are ways to deposit money into a Charles Schwab account. Transfer. Move money from a bank or another Schwab account by selecting account in the from and to sections and entering the amount. Wire transfer. Send a wire transfer with your name and Schwab account number. Check. Mail a check to Charles Schwab. Mobile deposit. Use the Schwab app to deposit checks. Follow the app instructions and note the daily deposit limit. Direct deposit. Set up automatic deposits from your paycheck or other regular payments directly into your account. These options offer flexibility for funding your Charles Schwab account.